Hi guys, just a minute. I want to show you something. I've brought a package of opportunity for you that will totally change your life, that will totally change your experience. Are you looking for an opportunity to start an online business? Oh, you have been stuck because of the startup capitals. Here is an opportunity for you. I've come with a package of opportunity that will change your life. This business I'm talking about, you don't need to have any startup capitals, you don't need to have anything, only to have your internet access and your computer, and you continue to work. This business that I'm talking about have been giving me thousands of dollars per month, every month, residual income. Here you don't need to bring anybody, you don't need to refer anybody. It is an online business that you run on your own at your convenience. So for more info about this business, just click on the link below the video descriptions and you are going to get all the package, how you are going to do it, how you are going to start below the video description. Just click on the link, or you can also contact me. There is a number below the video descriptions. So click on the number, you can call me, you can WhatsApp me. I will be there to reply you. Free online business. You don't need to have anything, you don't require anything. Just click on the link.